Split it up!
Oh.
What are we doing here? Is that bamboo?
It's a bamboo.
It's a bamboo.
What?
What are they doing to the bamboo? The poor bamboo!
Oh!
Ah!
It's wow! I thought it's for creating electricity, but it's even better.
Self-rotating. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, what are we doing here?
She's
She's trying to bring the trees together. She's a tree lover. Yeah, hug.
Hug them.
Now kiss.
Do it. You know, aggression.
A little aggressive tree lover, yeah.
Yeah. So many.
Oh, okay, so it's like a hammock?
I think so.
Interesting.
It's a hammock.
This is a whole new kind of tree house.
Out of strange film.
This is like a human spider. She's making a web. Spider woman! We found her!
Film woman.
Yeah, film lady. Film lady. Makes a lot of things out of film.
Can wrap you in
film. Worst superhero movie ever.
Oh, see. She used it and she did.
And no harm to the tree. Excellent.
Excellent.
Excellent. But where is she going to put all that film? But what's the point of that? Why did they put that little thing in the syringe?
To suck them, you know, when you have this
splinters!
Thing. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, I missed that, sorry. Okay, so now we're getting moisture from the leaves with the little baggie. I don't think it collects that much, but okay. Yay! Why is she showing? She's like showing the bag to the sticks. Look, sticks, I got this bag of water.
No, she just went too far.
Look, sticks, what I found! Wow, that's amazing!
No, oh, I feel hurt.
Foil lady's going insane. The sticks have been talking to me for weeks.
So is it a tea?
Yeah, it looks like a lot of vitamin C. You need that.
Okay. Wow.
That's one of the vitamins.
That's hot.
Comes between vitamin B and vitamin D. Energy drink. Why? I wouldn't drink an energy drink that has fire on it, because it makes it look like it's flammable. And I wouldn't drink anything that's flammable, most likely.
They think it works like so.
Unless you paid me enough. No.
Oh, that's an.
It's a little oven.
Yeah.
A little cooker.
Okay.
Not too bad.
One egg. What is this from?
She's very picky for an outdoors survivor. She's like, I want one of my eggs over easy and one of my eggs boiled. Okay.
Okay.
Just gotta be fancy like that. Gotta be extra like that. Okay, shoelace into a bucket.
I know what is this for. For fishing.
For fishing?
Yeah.
So the fish go in, but then they can't swim out because of the shape?
Yeah. Because this can't shape.
It's just physics. It's simple physics. Did you not know?
Yeah.
Archie knew.
I did.
Boiled egg can be nice bait for fish. Wow.
What?
I didn't know that.
Egg. Oh, gotcha.
Extremely, and I don't like it. That I'm sometimes really angry.
I don't like it when I'm angry either.
So,
I said I don't like it when I'm angry either. Okay, so we have
I like the fact. Okay, anyway.
Chalking some wood. Boom, 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 boom.
The action happens so fast.
Pretty cool. Oh, stack that wood like Jenga. Okay.
Yeah. So.
Twist this up. Boom. And now hang your socks.
Okay. To tie it, this net.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pepper seeds for
fishing?
Yeah.
For grabbing.
Lobsters.
So crabs? Lobsters?
Okay, we got some tape for the foot. For what? Are these just like homemade shoes?
Yeah.
They look like they're gonna cut your circulation off.
That's what I think.
And your feet are gonna get really stinky and sweaty.
Yeah, but if you have no shoes, maybe.
Yeah. Maybe.
But
at the same time, no.
Yes, the glue from this tape can leave some marks. And,
yeah. A nice stick system with some bait.
Nice.
It works great.
And already cooked.
Yeah.
Nice. You got.
It's impressive.
Yeah.
It cooks your stuff as well.
Okay. Wow.
All right, so we have a nice little oven thing there.
But wait a second. Oh, shovel?
Okay, it looks like it's gonna break after 2 uses, but okay.
But who knows? Maybe it's not that bad. Oh.
Alright, we use a stick for
For
a backpack holder. That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
I would use that for sure.
Not bad, not bad.
I want to use these. I want to take people camping and just like start using all these random 5-minute crafts hacks that freak everybody out. They're like, "Have you lived here your whole life?"
You know what I would like to see?
What?
How they put some of their crafters and put them on an island.
Yes.
And they need to try to survive with their
Only
huts.
5-minute crafts.
Yeah.
Nice.
Would you watch such a video, guys? Let
Would
us
you
know.
watch it? Let us know if you want to see us on that series,
Yeah.
because I would like to go.
Me too, actually. Yeah.
I think Butch would survive for the whole thing.
You think so?
Yeah, I think no one would be left alive except Butch.
No, but if he go with his helmet, maybe yes.
Yeah.
If without,
Then it's no.
he done.
No, yeah.
He done.
Okay, we got a leaf.
So leave for what? For what?
Use it as a but make sure it's not like poison ivy or something. Then you're gonna have a really bad face day. Okay.
Yes. What is the stone for one?
Got a nice stone. Make it elastic.
Gotcha.
Use it as a rope. Very good. It's so nice of her to feed the fishies. I wonder what she's gonna do with the fishies.
Cook them for something else.
Probably.
Yeah, it's like
She keeps getting bigger animals. Wow. Water harvesting. Okay, interesting. That could work if it's raining.
nice way to cut some stuff.
We're making. It looks like it's gonna be a spear. You ever make spears when you were a kid, like by sharpening pieces of wood?
Yeah, of course.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ooh, but it's not a spear. It is a torch.
Torch, yeah, for some means.
Pretty cool. Exploring time. Oh no. Okay. Why do you lay it out like that? Oh, okay. Could make good bait.
Okay. Yeah.
It's like irony because fish, usually are eaten by birds. Now fish get a little payback.
Exactly. Wow. Waste of one chicken for how many fish? Okay.
If you can reuse it all the time, it's probably okay.
Okay.
You can probably make your meat back.
You're right. Actually, create the smell of chicken and all this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess could work. Will we test it?
No. We are fish lovers.
Yeah. It's a bag.
Oh, it's a bag?
Yeah.
That is, how?
Backpack.
That looks uncomfortable. That is, his back is gonna be so sore in like 2 seconds.
Yeah. Yes.
Just convenient. That's pretty cool. It's an adjustable thing. You guys made that. Something similar, right?
Yeah. Yeah. We made a grill.
A grill.
A grill,
Oh, adjustable grill. Yeah, that's it. Nice.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Already cooked.
Ready cooked?
Nice.
He got that from the butcher.
Okay, we got the idea. It's just an idea.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Great. Cup.
Nice. So you can boil
Kettle.
things in it. Yeah, a little kettle.
Kettle.
Great kettle! Okay, great's subjective, but okay. Tree bark. Shovel!
Wow.
That looks like it probably won't last very long.
Uh-huh.
Just because of, there's
The
very
little
thin
break,
woods between.
But at least if you have nothing,
It's something.
it's something.
If you have nothing, it's something.
It's something, yeah.
We're
Very-
philosophers at Archie 5.
Better to have something than
Then
nothing.
nothing. Exactly.
It's our.
But if you never had something, you might be satisfied with nothing.
Also true.
It could be true. Stoicism.